What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. You're officially halfway through this week. I'm going to show you guys how to do your assignments for today, Wednesday, September 2nd. So let's jump right in. Classwork, quarter 1, week 3, Wednesday, September 2nd. View assignments. Start with the agenda slide right here. All of your items are in order. Links for today. We'll start with the bell ringer as always. First and last name, class period, and how are you feeling? Submit when finished. The next thing you're going to do is complete the shared reading assignment, which is included right here. It's the same poem that we've been reading Monday and Tuesday. We're going to continue on with The Rose That Grew from Concrete by Tupac. And today we're going to be answering a question about theme. So, the theme of this poem is, and I know this because, so let's read over this question really fast. What is a theme the author is trying to show in this poem? And a helpful hint is that theme is the underlying message or lesson that is learned. So in any piece of text, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, poetry, drama, there's a theme that is being taught, an underlying meaning or a lesson that the author or the characters learn by the end of the story. So what lesson or underlying meaning is communicated in this poem? So you're going to put that here. You're going to erase this and type in your answer. And then you know this how. Okay, so what piece of text evidence or what does the author say in the poem that shows you what the theme is? Okay, you need something to prove what your theme is. And remember, if you use text evidence, you do need to put it into quotations so that I know you pulled it from the text. Okay, you're going to answer this. And when you're done, the next thing you're going to do is click on the text to world connection document. Okay, which is right here. It's going to bring you here. So please read this article, or you can listen to the audio here. After you finish reading, answer the questions below. So this link will take you to the article. This link will take you to the audio. I recorded myself reading as I scrolled through the audio, so you can follow along as I'm reading. I strongly encourage you, if you're listening to the audio, to be following along in the text, because that's really going to help build your strength in reading. It's much better to listen and to read than to just listen. You absorb it a lot better. So I strongly encourage you to read and listen at the same time, and I made it really easy to do this in this video, okay? So then we're going to answer these 4 questions. Make sure you're answering in complete sentences. So write 2 to 3 sentences summarizing the article. Who was a student that the principal pointed out to the author as being a troublemaker? What did that student do to surprise the author? Choose a character from The Outsiders to compare to the author of this article, Matt de la Pena. How is the character hiding a weakness by pretending to be strong? And then finally, describe a time you have ever hidden a weakness by pretending to be stronger than you are. Explain how you acted and what you were feeling. So I'm going to show you guys my example answer for number 3. You can use it if you would like, but you do not have to if you want to create your own. So what I'm going to say is a character in The Outsiders, I hope if I could spell Outsiders, there we go, who is hiding a weakness by pretending to be strong, is Derry. He has to act like the parent to his younger brothers, Soda and Pony. Soda and Pony. He acts big and tough, but he is actually very afraid for their lives and future. Right? Because Soda and Pony are minors, they could be taken away if anybody finds out that they're not being properly cared for, because Derry isn't really their parent, isn't their guardian. They kind of have to lie to all the adults in their lives. Okay? So my answer for this is a character in The Outsiders who is hiding a weakness by pretending to be strong as Derry. He has to act like the parent to his younger brothers, Soda and Pony. He acts big and tough, but he is actually very afraid for their lives and future. Okay, so that's what I would put for this answer. When you're done with that, you have completed everything. You can go ahead and hit submit. Let me know if you guys have any questions on these assignments.